Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to review the newly launched product by Maybelline, and this is none other than Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Primer. This is specially for normal to oily skin, and this is the primer with clay. This is recently launched in two variants. One is for the oily skin people and one is for the dry skin people. And I have purchased for the oily skin because I have oily skin. So let's see. I'm very excited and I have tried it also. It's very good. So this is the packaging looks like. This is the outer box. It is of black color and all the things are written, its ingredients, and this is 30 ml product quantity. Yeah, and its price is 499 rupees, and I didn't got it on discount. On the full price I have got it, and 3 years is the shelf life. And also it's written here matte plus poreless primer for normal to oily skin, control oil shine, infused with clay to instantly mattify skin, lightweight cream texture, provides seamless makeup fit. And how you have to apply it: wear alone or under makeup. You can use it alone also or under your makeup, so definitely you will use it. It controls all the shine from your face. And also clay, it is it is infused with clay which instantly mattifies your skin, gives mattifying effect to your skin. Also guys, this is very much moisturizing on your skin. This is very lightweight cream. This is for all skin tones and all skin types. All skin tones people can use it, and skin types, normal and to oily skin people can use this, and dry skin people can use their dry one. Now let's open it. So this is the hero product. You can see this is the black color tube, and it's written over here Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless, normal to oily, all the things are mentioned over here. And this is the cap. Now let's open it. So this is the nozzle. Now I'll show you the texture. So you can see this is white in color. Yeah guys, this is not transparent. This is a cream texture, so it's white in color. And you can see this is very soft and smooth, very buttery soft and easily blendable. And when you will blend it now, afterwards your face will not look white or anything. It will not leave any white cast. It gives hydration also to your skin, and also it mattifies also your skin. And this is very good. It fits to your natural skin tone. Like it has the same range matte plus poreless compact powder also they are having, and also they are having Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless foundation. So same way now it is launched their primer also. I'm very happy for it, and you can check the review of Maybelline compact powder Fit Me and also Maybelline Matte Plus Poreless foundation on my channels. I have already uploaded the videos there. So this is a product, and it has a very mild fragrance to it which will go after some time. So yeah, and its staying power, I have used it recently when I got this I got my hands on it. I used it that time only, and it stays for whole day. Just take a very pea-sized amount, little bit, and apply all over your face, and then apply the after 5 minutes, let it sink in your skin, and then apply the foundation. It will blend like dream. So much matte finish you will get, so smoothly it will blend, and also the whole day it will stay. So yeah, I really like this, and I hope you like the review. And if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel. I make videos on makeup, skincare, and hauls also, and fashion also, beauty also. So yeah, keep connected and see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.